We got the Tracker 2, the Tracker LT, the Tracker SP, and that SP is for the computer, and you can monitor it, and you got some controls on it. The Tracker LT is for the basic, just see what it's doing and call you. The Tracker 2 is for all of the competitive systems. It has limited monitoring. The investment part of it, if you got a base station, it's pretty high dollar. If you got 20 or 100 pivots, then the base station, even though it may cost $45,000, it's going to be cheaper in the long run to have a radio control where you can monitor it on your computer. The other way, if you don't have that many pivots, you just want to get out there and get control, then you're going to be out maybe $1,000, and you may be out some service fees. And that may not be a bad way to go, because technology changes really rapid. What's working today, there'll be another 5, 2 or 3 years that'll be working just as good or better. But pick out something that's going to work in your area. Let's go to the next one. On our computer, it'll bring up a picture where it shows which pivot, what's going on. And again, if it stops, it'll send out a signal, and you can go out there and check it. Go back to the next one. It shows the basic, the power off, the percent timer, position in the field. We do have GPS available. Our newer models on our computers and select will be GPS ready panels. You need to buy a receiver mount on the end of your pivot, and they'll send the signal down to the control, and it will be more accurate than that resolver at the pivot point. So GPS is going to help it be more accurate. We have smartphones where you can just check it as you're driving or going somewhere. You can pull it up, and it has pictures on it. That Tracker Mobile is another good device. This just tells some of the capabilities as far as monitoring. Like I said, the Tracker LT is cost less, but it's going to give you a little bit less. It's going to tell you what position, what the water pressure your wells are going, the Tracker SP for the computer. And that's probably all I'm going to talk about that. If you want to know what's going on in the future, take time to go out to Bushville, Texas. Go out there to the research center. They'll be happy to show you. In fact, I saw Susan Shaughnessy out there and asked her, give me some good ideas for communication. They have some pretty neat ideas, and they're in the forefront. A lot of times what we sell comes from Bushville 4 or 5 years down the road. They were talking about variable watering. In the future, we'll have a computer and we will be watering. If we have a part of the farm that is too wet, we can just program it to turn the heads off and walk across it, then turn it back on. You may have a part of your farm that it needs more fertilizer. You can program it to be turning that fertilizer on just in a certain area to get it to do that. So the irrigation is very precise, and the center pivot will give you that ability to do whatever you want to. And with that, I think I'm finished.